Hey guys, welcome to another day with ZIMALETA. I met the owner of this car and he actually let me sit in it. What a nice guy. Thank you so much. Let me see here. I hope I don't wreck it on my first try. I'm kidding. Wow. This is a sweet ride. This seat just hugs you.
Oh yeah.
Man, you could definitely feel. Oh, it's a stick shift too?
Yeah.
I love it. Man, what a nice car. And it's what an interesting coincidence. I just got my kids a Polaris. They were happy with it.
Yeah.
But anyways, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of this car and let this man go about his way. Hello guys, and welcome to ZIMALETA how-to show. Today in today's video I would like to do a review on Polaris Slingshot. So let's begin. This Slingshot here, it has a displacement of 2,384 cc's, an engine type which is 2.4 liter DOG 4-cylinder. It is a GM type of vehicle. It uses 91 octane type of fuel, and it's got 173 horsepower at 6,200 RPMs, 166 foot-pounds of torque at 4,700 RPMs, and a rev limit of 7,200 RPMs. So you're probably wondering, how much is the 0 to 60? How fast is it? So 0 to 60 times for 2015 models is around 5.2, 0 to 60 and quarter mile at 13.7 seconds, which is really awesome. The 2018 model, it might be a little bit faster. The 2018 Polaris Slingshot is like no other production vehicle available. Since its debut in 2014, the Slingshot has been a welcome disruptor to status quo, creating its own market segment. The Slingshot is an autocycle as recognized by 40 of 50 states across the United States. So the question is it more of a car or a motorcycle? Well, I think it's a little bit of both. Being a tricycle, I think it's pretty much a car because of the car engine, and it is pretty much a motorcycle if you love motorcycles, but now you have two wheels to stand on the ground. So basically, there is about 4 different models of this type of a vehicle. There's an S model, there's an SL, there's an SLR, and of course SLR LE. Now the 4 models are distinguished by various stuff, like the SL Slingshot. It has 100 watt Rocket 4 Fosgate sound system. Moving up to the SLR, you get larger forged aluminum wheels, 2-piece composite brake rotors. Go to the SLR LE and you'll find Bilstein suspension plus 200 watt amplifier. So basically all of these models, they still have the same engine, basically the same power plant. It is a 4-cylinder DOG engine by GM, so it is pretty nice. So they're all gonna be pretty powerful. So guys, this car is a head turner. So if you're somebody that don't like attention, you will get plenty of it, from people just walking by and complimenting you about the car and asking you questions, just like I did to this gentleman right here as I was talking to him. It is definitely like a head turner, and you'll have to add about 30% more to your commute to answer questions, whether you're going to a restaurant, a gas station, or just a parking lot. You're gonna have a lot of questions from people that are very curious, what kind of cool car is this?
I've never seen one in real life. It's like when I got one for the kids, I was thinking, man, I want to see one in real life now.
I'm gonna get lights for the wheels. All three wheels
Oh,
have a light behind
that's gonna be
it.
nice.
Yeah.
I've seen like West Coast Customs, they do something in the inside where they put it like behind the wheel. They put like a LED.
Yeah, that's what they have a kit that bolts back there,
Yeah,
but it shines through the
it looks amazing. I mean, it really sets it off.
Yeah.
How much is one of these things that you bet for?
Without the extra stuff, without the fear, the basic one, the cheap one, you can get for about 22,000.
I would think it's like, so this is like a Z06 basically model.
Right. This one here isn't basic. This has got bigger tires, a radio, backup camera, and all that. It's 28.
Wow.
The top was 3,000.
It's amazing. I bet this thing is actually going to retain value pretty good.
My 016 that I traded in on this one, I paid 28 for it, and they gave me 20.
Wow, that's
And
like really good.
15,000 miles on it.
The day he turned it in.
Yeah, and it sold
Really?
the very 3 hours after I traded it in. They never even got the
I
claim.
gotta look for one now because, man, this is like really interesting.
Oh, there's
Who sells these things?
Polaris.
So they
Polaris dealer
really?
usually
The Indian dealer in
Kansas, Olathe, Kansas.
Wow.
Oh, you ought to see the colors they have now.
I really love the color. I really like how you
they
got the
some
orange.
Really,
It's really awesome.
they got blue and white. They got blue and black. They got.
What's the top speed on this?
I've had it to 130.
Wow, that's like amazing top speed.
Yeah.
I bet this thing speeds up kind of like bikes do. Do you know what the 0 to 60 is?
Not yet. I will when the track opens up at Osborne. I'm gonna go take it up there. But it's on a day like today, if the sun is shining and the road is warm, I can hook that rear tire up fairly good.
Wow.
I'll beat off the line. I beat Corvettes, Mustangs.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, man. That is fast.
Camaros. Oh,
Because
yeah.
the Corvettes are pretty fast.
You ought
Like,
to see it corner.
oh, I
I
bet.
take you on road.
Oh, man.
I actually had a police officer up in Lawson with me one day. He wanted to go for a ride. He's a friend of mine. And I took him down a road that when he got out, he says, I got to go change my pants. He was shocked on how it can handle around.
Man, I didn't know. Like, it looks like it could handle it. Like,
Oh, yeah.
this seems very wide.
Oh,
I mean, this seems a lot wider than normal type of cars.
yeah.
It's very wide.
Don't-
So this thing will just make donuts like no tomorrow, huh?
Yeah, as long as I get the button off on it.
Very beautiful.
Yeah, they're a lot of fun. I've had motorcycles all my life, and I couldn't hold up the bike anymore, so
Because this has appearance. You know how they built similar type and they put a motorcycle engine,
yeah.
and those things are fast.
Yeah,
But you got a real engine in here.
it's a real car engine.
Yeah, so like this is gonna fly.
5-speed tranny, car transmission, and then a little short dry shaft.
Wow.
That long, and then it feeds half a differential.
Wow.
There's actually a half differential in there, and then it's belt driven from that point out.
Oh, that is like so cool. I like how they did that.
It holds 10 gallons of gas. I get
Really?
32 miles a gallon. We just pulled it out of the garage. It's been sitting in the garage for a while.
What a sweet ride.
They're
I
a
want to
lot
have
of fun.
one in my garage. Next to my Corvette, like once I do get it. I guess let's see it fired up. Oh man, it's got a good sound to it.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
Like it's just right for it. Like it's not loud to where it's just gonna bother you.
No,
but it's got like this really good like stealth type of sound.
but they do have a different exhaust from them. But the guys that put them on wish they didn't afterwards.
Really?
Yeah,
Because then it really loud then, huh?
yeah.
Well, you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much for spending some time with me in this car here. What an awesome car.